Visual Style Control in AutoCAD 3D. If you go here, if you click here, you can see these all the things, visual styles. If you select this 2D wireframe, you will get it 2D wireframe. And if you click here, select this conceptual, you will get it conceptual visual style. So like that, you can select any of this visual style and you will get it like this visual style. Same visual style available here also. You can see lots of visual style available. You can select any style. I just select this hidden. Now this is the hidden visual style, and you can, using this visual style manager, you can create your own visual style, or you can make changes in this existing visual style. Just click this visual style manager and you can see here all the visual styles. In this visual styles, if you need to make changes, select that visual style, and if you once you select it, you will get it that style settings, face setting, lighting, environment setting, and edge settings. These all the things, if you want, you can make changes. I just select this one and I made this one to green, and I just click this one, drag and drop it here. Now what I changed existing, this visual style, it is changed to like this. So like that, all the properties you can make changes. If you want to create the new visual style, for that, here it is, create new visual style. Just click this one, make your name, any name, which name you want to make as a visual style. You can make the style, or you can keep as it is, simply OK. Now that visual style, it is created. This is visual style 1. Select this one, and if you want, you can make changes in this. Realistic or goods, none, which style you want, face style you can change, lighting quality, which quality you want, smoothest, face rate, like that quality you can adjust, and here it is monochrome, tint, like that, a lot of options available. You will get it like this, and if you need to change the color, you will get it like this. If you need to apply this one to object, just select this one and you can apply like this. So now it is changed to what we created, that style. So here all the options available, these are all the options, you can use it. Now I close this one, and if you go here, you will get it what you created, the style. If you don't want this style, you can delete it. Before deleting this one, just I make this one realistic. Now I go to Visual Style Manager and select this one, and I go to delete the selected visual style. If you fixed here, it is realistic, that's why I can delete it. If I am using here currently, you cannot delete it. So this is the way you can create your own visual style, or you can make your new visual style, and you can, using this visual style, you can control. Same type of visual style available in Visualize, and if you go here, you will get it the same similar tools.